In this video, we're gonna take a look at how we create, upload and publish a new package. What do you need before we get started? A package in the engine for upload, 4 key images and minimum 2 screenshots, as well as second option an upload video via web link. So now let's begin. In the last video, we have created and set up our publisher account. Now we create a new package. You do not need to follow our order. First, here are the package details. We come to this later. In the second part, we have the metadata artwork. We started here on metadata. Just click on edit. On the title you write the name of your package. Make sure that the name in the asset store is not taken yet. On the description you have to write again via HTML text the informations for your package. We have prepared this here in a text document. Simply copy and paste it in. If you write everything correct, the icon will be green. In the keywords, you write a view keywords for the search function in the asset store. Like symmetry, tile set, and so on. When we have done this, click on Save. Your metadata is safe. Click on OK. Then let's go back. Now you can see that the title of your package has been updated. Scroll down. Click on Key Images, Edit. Now we fill in here our icon and key images. For the image size from the small and the large image, you should create it on 200 by 124 and 516 by 389 pixels, because the other sizes were for the old asset store, so we don't need this anymore. Let's select our images, click OK, next one, click OK, large one, click OK. And the last one. Select. Click OK. Good. Now let's go back. Scroll down. Click on Audio Video Edit. Here we insert the web link from our video. Let's search it quick. Copy the link. Unity support videos from YouTube, Vimeo, SoundCloud, Mixcloud and Sketchfab. If our video appears here, then everything is correct. Let's go back. In the next step, we upload our screenshots. Click Insert Image. Get the first one, open. Click OK. The next one. Open. Click OK. Okay. Good. Now when we saved our screenshots, let's go back. Now on package details, on version, we let it here on default 1.0. On version changes, this package released the first time, so we type in version 1.0. First release. On the category, we look for a template where your asset fits. For 2D, choose 2D. For 2D character, choose character. For 3D, choose 3D, and so on. Find somewhere your asset fits in. For the price, Unity says you did it, so you can ask whatever you imagine. We type in here $7. Don't forget to save. Click OK. Now it is all saved, it's all typed in. The next step is package upload. We launch Unity. Here we check 3 important things that must be present in your package. Your files should be the same as in the submission guidelines. This here is correct, this is wrong. Your package must have a documentation and a demo scene. Take a look at our folders. Okay, our folder looks good. In the documentation folder, we have a changelog. We always have. If you need it, that's your decision. Here in the documentation, you have to explain your product. You also have to document changes in the editor of the program. For example, here, as with us, the customer must change the sorting mode. Here we have the demo scene. It looks okay. Important in your project is that you upload. There are no errors in the messages. You find it here in the console. Good. Let's open the Asset Store window. In the heading, you write in Asset Store Tools, import. That takes a bit of time. I've made a backup. Go ahead. On the console, click Clear. The Asset Store folder is now in your project as a separate folder. Now here on the top, click on Package Upload. Here you have to log in with your publisher account, email address and password. Click on Login. Now you can select your package, scroll up or down, There's your package in draft mode. Select it. On second, click on Select Asset Folder. Now select the folder you want to upload. Select main asset. Here you can check the important files that will be found in the asset store. In the asset store on the here, package contents. Under package preview, you find this later, or what you have checked. Back to upload, we have select everything. Click on upload. We have skipped this process in the video. Our files will be uploaded now. When it's done, it comes a window. Upload is successful. OK. Now we can go to our publisher website. We have to refresh it, and you see the package is there, here. Click on Edit. You have to answer these questions with yes or no. Click Save when you are done. Now we control everything again. Good, click on Save. In the category tags, you can edit this after your package has published. We can select preview in the asset store, up here or down there. This is what your package will look when it is published. Do a precise control look. Now you can change something if something is wrong. Let's test everything. When you are satisfied, we go back. The last step is now submit package for approval. Check I own the rights to sell the assets. Click on Submit. Here you can type in nothing, or you can leave an informations to the editor of your package. For example, a quick update for a bug fix. We write here first release. Click OK. That may take a while. When it is done, you find your package here on the top on pending preview. This can take between 1 or 2 weeks. For more tutorials, please give us a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.